Inyo. Alpaca. Oh. Wow, Tayo is red. Use a scissor to cut. Huh, you want? Mommy need to cut this out. Cut this out. Oh, put out. You Tayo. You Tayo. Here. Tayo. Pick the yellow one. There, that's yellow, my favorite. It's sweet, crunchy. Ta-da!
Yellow.
Yes, just pick the one very yellow and sweet. Eat one.
Daddy, please. Daddy.
Yummy.
Alpaca.
Alpaca, so cute.
Daddy, key.
Alpaca need food, baby. This one, mommy grow for you, Namimo. This one, they come like a very short little tree now. Oh, caterpillar!
I am a caterpillah.
Yeah, caterpillar eat Tayo. This one they already go in already too. Need to kill them so they're not going to eat the other one. If you not kill them, they will make more baby and just keep eating all the tomato. Oh, one little one here. Pick this one first. I wanna pick onion. This onion should be ready. This, the red onion. I'm gonna pick this big one. Yes. I think these two I put just one and they grow together. I don't wanna take them dirty inside the house, so I have to cut them. Chili tiktok. Thai chili tiktok. Happy. I'm happy, huh? You happy, baby? Oh, chili. Yeah, chili mommy make yum. Yeah, cucumber. Right here, my cucumber.
Oh.
This is a dirt cucumber already. I eat two already. I'm gonna pick this big one. Wow, so proud of the cucumber. They big very fast. I eat two already. This is a third one. And soon I'm gonna eat that one. So I have cucumber every day fresh. I wait till that one bigger, then I eat. Next year I will grow more cucumber. I can plant them like from seed straight in the garden. Something eat them all the time. So this one I buy and I grow next to my house. So I look after them every day until they're big and I move here so they can swipe. If not, then something will eat them already. Oh, one red tomato here. This is the same one over there. He play with my hair now. My messy garden. This is the first year. Next year I'll plan to make them more pretty. I picked this yellow tomato. Next year I want to plant the purple tomato too. And the other one that I like, oh, something eat them. But it's okay, I do organic. Worm eat them. Throw here. Something eat this too. It's sweet potato. They grow by themselves because this is the garden bed that maybe the first owner that we buy their house, they grow sweet potato before. And all the potato too, they grow this. It's okay, finish. And chili and then go pick another one. Oh, I have to pick the bean too. No, Tayo, bean. Yeah, bean. Put here. He very want to pick, but he don't wear shoe. Come here, I show you carrot. This one. 1, 2, 3, ready, baby? Carrot. Wow, this one's funny. Carrot. Yeah, this dirty we put here. Mommy pick the other one.
Mommy, carrot.
Huh? Carrot.
Carrot.
Why this carrot is like a 2 legs?
Carrot.
Carrot. He give a name for carrot. Killer bear. And then see the beetroot. The beetroot is not grow very well because too hot, and I plant them straight to the dirt and not very good. See this one? Oh, wow, this one fatter. The other one. Carrot. Carrot. Oh, carrot. We give alpaca eat the leaf.
Mommy,
Put here.
Cow.
Huh? Give cow what?
Cow.
You cow? Goat?
Cow.
What's that cow? What you say cow? Oh, I pick the Thai chili. Này, này, này. Mommy, you get mommy. Oh, look, no dear. It's okay. Gonna go wash anyway. Oh my God, the chili is cracked. So funny. Nè, nè, mi có con in đi thế. Vậy mà mi oh, look, no dear. Nè, nè, go wash anyway. Okay. Now, have to be very careful. Foot down. Just put here. Chili na. And this one, never have chance for them to be red. We eat too much chili. And this one have so many. And this one too. They are different a little bit. This one is a little bit skinny. That one is more big. Maybe they're different type or they're the same. I don't know. Ouch. Don't pull mommy hair, okay? I like this Thai chili. This one I buy from the shop and I just plant them from seed. I make the seed myself. And then wait till they're big and just plant on here. The first round I do is not success, something eat them all. This second round. Okay. Enough, let's go over there. That's celery.
Daddy key.
Bring carrot. So mommy wash carrot there. Here, my favorite vegetable is the sweet chaws. I love to eat them, baby, like this. Sweet chaws. Oh, warm, little warm. Sweet chaws. I love sweet chaws. I don't know how they call. I call sweet chaws my strawberry.
Cow, cow.
1, 2, 3. There one here.
Eat out, eat out.
Sweet chaws and celery, they can grow together very well. Hey, you just play my hair. You naughty. Ouch. Ouch. That chili is fancy. It's very short. Still. I don't know. They this different type. That's why I see that I say, oh, they not grow. They are very short and very small. And now I see the chili is mixing because I grow so many and they mix it. I don't know. They are this type. This type is short like a bonsai chili. This one is a very long chili. This is my papaya I plant from seed. I'm going to move my pumpkin here so they stay like one group together here, Daddy. Yesterday I cut here and clean here. Now I move them so they being together like a family. Just move them back maybe so they don't go over there too far. One here, one there. One there, one there. I give your mom one. They just grow in this pot, but they grow very well. They share the pot with this lump. A little tiny orange. A little tiny orange here. I love them. I don't think they're gonna grow this well, but they grow very well. What? Oh no, they're not ready. You want to pick the orange. Avocado, mango.
Come on in here.
Come on in here. What's that? What this? What this?
Come on.
Lamb. This by makru in Thai. By makru.
Makru.
By makru. I give you by makru one. By makru, Daddy.
Makru.
By makru, Daddy. Smell nice? Ooh, smell nice. By makru. Smell nice? Goes. Give goes. We go put give carrot to get goats to eat. Oh, one celery here. Go feed Packer. Packer eat, huh? Oh, Yes, up. Oh, kangaroo there.
Here.
Kangaroo there.
Here. Here.
See, the mommy is looking too. Oh, why not me? I give you some time you don't like vegetable. Last time he almost eat from hand, and he changed his mind. He wanna get lamb. Ina, please eat. Don't scare. Oh my God, you never trust me, Packer. I've been here almost 1 year. Feed you while you don't trust me. Eat. Eat. He eat from your hands before?
Daddy.
Just drop here. That's why he like goat. Goats eat from his hands. He wanna feed to goats. He bring little lamb. Eat. Goats eat. You not eat from hand. That's why my son don't wanna feed you. Let's go feed the ghost tree. The ghosts love that tree. Last time we feed them carrot leaf and salad. Oh no, carrot and what's that? Celery. Yeah, ghosts like celery. Giggles. Oh, giggles eat.
Go.
Giggles love this tree. See, giggles eat this. He wanna look at him. Oh, that's why he like it. He goes eat the by mackerel. I wanna have ghosts. Ghosts so cute. They eat from my hands. He very wanna feed them. Daddy, can we have ghosts? He doesn't want me to feed. He goes look at mommy. He goes eat tree over there. They love jungle tree. Oh, their glass so short. They don't have glass to eat. Whoa, giggles eat. Giggles love you, baby. Giggles, he called them giggles. Giggles like to eat this tree, huh? Giggles. Oh, yummy, 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 giggles. Yummy, yummy. Why you don't eat anything, huh? Giggles eat. Wait, Giggles, you scare me. Maybe itchy, Giggles nose. Okay, I give you. Careful, this tree is sharp. Go closer to them. This one, this way. Careful. Oh, it's so exciting. Giggles like this tree so much. Oh, Giggles, you can get out. Get out, Giggles. We can feed you from your side. You don't have to stand like that, I'm worried.
Mommy, tea.
Okay, get out, Giggles.
Oh, stop.
Don't put to their nose. They chew to mommy face now. This chop leaf for Giggles like. Yummy, 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 huh?
Yummy, yummy.
Giggles eat yummy, yummy, huh? Happy now, baby?